Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. We are officially on day 16 of my 25 days of Christmas gifts for him series. Guys, this has been so much fun. I feel like, okay, I say this every day and it's just because I never thought I would be doing this. I never thought I'd actually be able to give you guys 25 days of 25 videos highlighting amazing products and brands. So this is so huge for me and I really want to say thank you to everyone who continues to support me as I go on with this series. And I cannot wait to show you guys what I have today and for the last 9 days of the series. If this is your first time checking out this channel, welcome and happy holidays to you. Make sure you're pressing that subscribe button. Make sure you're pressing that bell as well. Make sure you guys are also giving this video a thumbs up. All of that helps me continue, helps these videos get seen, because the more people that see it, the bigger we can all grow together. I've really been on a technology kick, if you guys haven't noticed, so I thought, why not continue and show you guys some more tech items that I really like and I believe would be the perfect gift for the guys in your life. Today we are talking about not one, but two types of the most popular headphones ever, and that is Apple's AirPods Max and Beats 3. Both of these I've been using them, and honestly I think that both of them have great qualities, but in some ways each of them do a little bit better. So let's talk about it and you all can decide. First up, we have the AirPods Max. Now this was the first ones I went with because of the fact that I only use Apple products. I have the iPhone, the MacBook, everything. So I really did want my headphones to also be able to sync between all of them really easy, which is why I decided that I wanted the AirPods Max instead of just some normal headphones or getting one of the other AirPods. I really wanted the over-the-ear headset so that I could edit my videos a lot better when I'm here in the studio, and I just really wanted that ability to have that noise canceling in my ears at all times, which is why I went for these bad boys. These are pretty good. I will say for $549, you do get a lot out of these headphones. However, there are some differences between these and Beats 3. Now, the AirPod Max, these definitely charge a lot faster, especially with the lightning chargers. You will see your headphones go from dead to at least 30 to 40% within minutes of using a lightning charger. The battery power in these lasts usually about 20 hours of constant listening. One of the things I will say about these though is you are not able to charge them and use them at the same time. That is a huge flaw in these. However, when it comes to connection, you're able to do a swift connection or shared listening with other people by tapping them, which is something that I really do like. I do find myself using those when we want to listen to podcasts together and things like that. So that is a really big plus with me. Also, if you are an Apple user, these sync so well and Siri works really well with them. The noise canceling in these, superb. It has one trigger button on the side that allows for you to either activate or deactivate the noise canceling. With these over the ears, they are great with noise canceling and they're soft, but I will say one flaw in these is that you can't adjust the tightness in them, which they do have a great elasticity. However, when you wear them for a long period of time, you do start to kind of feel that pressure on them. If you keep working with it, like I've been trying to bend it a lot more just to get that flexibility in there, I'm starting to see a little of a difference in it. So I think that makes it a little bit worth it. This case is a very simplistic case, and it's also not a protective case at all. Also, these are an automatic sync. So if that magnetic piece that's in here that lets the headset know they're inside of here and disconnect to your phone, they will automatically connect back to your phone or device. I do find that to be kind of irritating. See? It literally just connected. Well, that's a perfect example of what I mean. Even when you're not trying to, if it disconnects, it automatically connects to your phone. Now, as a content creator, I really like editing with these. These are flawless and I can hear so well when I'm editing all of my videos. I know it's not too loud for other people to hear. It really allows for me to get in depth into my videos. Oh man, the Solo3s are a good one, man. Let me tell you, these are a great soundproof headset. They are lightweight, 40 hours of listening opportunity on here. I love these. I love these, and especially if you ever have any products that aren't Apple, these do such a great job with them. The only reason that they are not used as much for me is because all of my Apple products tend to work better with each other versus when I have these on. Plus, these give me a lot less control. What I mean is, these bad boys here, I can't answer my phone when I have these connected. Siri doesn't really talk to me, and that is a huge part in when I'm using it. Also, as a content creator, my headphones matter so much because of how I need to hear, and I've realized that with certain software, these do skip and jump while I'm using them, so I no longer can really use them for what I want, which is literally to edit. But when I am listening to music and things like that, these are a blast. They're so much more lightweight. Unlike the AirPods Max, I don't find myself getting a lot of pressure with these. They don't hurt over time. They do cover the exact amount of your ears, and I will say that one thing I do like about the AirPods Max a little bit more is that these go all the way over your ears, where these ones kind of go on your ears, and I just feel like I'm still not getting that noise canceling the way I am with the AirPods Max. With those, I can unpress and press the button for the noise cancel and hear a complete different sound. Like that muffle is real. With these, they do cancel the noise, but nowhere near how those do. Charging with these is fast as well. Within 5 minutes, you can have about 3 hours worth of listening without putting another charge. One thing that these do a lot better as well is you are able to charge these and you're able to use these at the same time. I also like the case more with this as well. But just the charging alone, the AirPod Max charge really fast as well, but the charge doesn't last as long. These literally last double the time of the AirPods Max. Keep that in mind as well. These are 20 hours on a full charge. These are roughly 40 on a full charge. These are only $99.99 compared to the AirPods Max $549. So these are significantly more expensive. However, I love the quality of these. The only thing I wish that I was able to change is that pressure that these put on my head. Both of these do a great job, and people do say they can get their Siri and things to work, but I'm finding it a little hard to keep it calibrated. But I want to know what you all think. Which one of these would you prefer? I know I am an Apple person through and through, so I know these are my favorite, even though these fit a lot better and adjust a little bit better. But I want to know what you think his favorite would be. Which one of these would you put under your tree for him and why? Also, let's say shout out to Black Paris. We're gonna rock that hoodie today. I don't know if anyone noticed that this is the hoodie they just sent me from our partnership. So what do y'all think? I'm also rocking my bear slippers too, just so y'all know. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribing and hitting that bell because you don't want to miss anything. I am loving showing these brands off. They are supporting so much, and that within itself is amazing. Not all of my videos are partnerships. They're just things that I love. So to see these brands reach out and actually show love and support is a huge thing, and it's all because of you guys watching these videos every single day. Alright guys, make sure you're going back to watch my old videos. I have 14 days worth of amazing content that could help you get something under that tree for him. Until tomorrow guys, that's all I have. So show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holidays.